and the gas is what makes dough rise. So when you make bread or pizza dough or anything.
Why is it so high?
It just is. That's how it works. So as it eats, it lets off this gas, and then when we cook it, then the yeast will eventually die. But it's going to be living today, and you're going to watch the dough grow because of the yeast doing its thing. So yeast it only works if you put it in warm water. So we're starting off with some warm water. So let's read over the recipe, and then we'll talk about how it works. Yeah.
That's a pizza dough.
It does. Yeah. Well, that's right. Because next week will be pizza, right?
Mommy, why is there a G in the pizza dough? Because I can't hear.
Well, some words have a silent GH at the end, like dough. As we have had before, we have a wet mix and a dry mix. So the wet mix starts off with 1/4 cup warm water, and then a tablespoon of yeast we're going to add to the water, and then a pinch of sugar. And that just means a little pinch, not a handful, just like a little pinch. Okay. Then 1 cup of warm milk. Anybody who wants to read along is welcome to read along. 2 tablespoons of oil, and then the dry mix.
Motor oil.
Not motor oil. That would not be tasty. 2 teaspoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 2½ cups of flour for the dry mix. Okay, so.
Fed it.
Yeah,
We fed it breakfast.
What did we feed it with?
Sugar.
Sugar. Yep, we did.
It wants to eat candy, but it can't.
So is it going to munch right now?
I think so.
You think so? Okay.
So
how many cups of flour do we need?
Is that like a video? 1
2 and a half.
2 and a half. 1/2. So you can do half the flatten it. Yes. So when you get a good amount.
Okay.
That was enough.
No, I can do it. There we go. Can you dump it in? There we go.
I think you're going to do the 1/2.
Now Amelie's going to do 1 cup of flour.
Then it's going to be my turn.
Yes, it does.
It's going to be my turn.
Okay, so pour it all in.
Mom, I'm making an idea.
It's in there. It's just staying there.
It's dry.
No, that was just 1 cup, but it was a little bit low, so I'm just going to get a tiny bit more. There we go. Okay.
2 teaspoons of sugar. All right.
No.
Okay, is that your second one? Okay.
Don't ask me if I
What's it look like now? The yeast. Does it look different?
Yeah.
What's it look like?
It looks like dough.
It looks kind of like dough.
Blah, blah.
Is it kind of bubbly? Look at it, how bubbly it is. What does that mean?
Rising.
It's rising a little bit. Is it? What is it doing? What is it eating?
Sugar.
The sugar. One whole cup. You see the one on the side?
Oh, I think I can flour. There?
See the one on the side? Joey, can you point the one out to her? There? Okay, pour it all the way to the one. 1 cup of milk for the yeast.
What does it eat milk?
What do you think milk has in it that yeast likes?
Sugar.
Sugar, it does have sugars in it. All the way to the one. There you go. Then dump it in with to the yeast.
In there?
Yep, right in there. There we go.
There you go. And green. It's like they're swimming in it. Instead of eating it, they're
Yeah, is
swimming.
it mixing very well?
I don't know.
It's sort of sitting on the top, isn't it?
Take some of the swimming.
What did you add, Flynn?
Kathleen.
The yeast? You gonna mix it up?
Yeah.
Yummy. Come on, here.
We're not going to worry about eating it.
So how many have you done, Helen?
Just let him have his 20 turns. You gonna count to 20, Kelly? You know how many?
10 turns. No.
Oh.
It's frozen.
No, what did it do from the yeast?
It died.
It rose. Yep, it rose. So we're going to wrap it up and put it in the freezer now, and then next week we'll make pizza.
Did I touch it?